How to resolve wrong tax ledger. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started by identifying or opening Tally Prime and navigating to the gateway of Tally. Locate the voucher where the wrong tax ledger was selected, whether it is sales, purchase, or any other type of transaction. Open the voucher that need correction. Inside the voucher, find and select the incorrect tax ledger. Replace it with the correct one by using F2 or navigating to the tax ledger field. Choose the appropriate tax ledger from the list and press Ctrl+A to save the changes. Now in step number 3, if the correct tax ledger is not available, don't worry, go back to Gateway of Tally, then under Accounts Info, select Ledger. Choose Alter or Create. Make sure to set the right type of duty or tax such as GST or VAT under Duties and Taxes. Then save the ledger. On step number 4, head over to Display and check the relevant statutory reports or reports like the GST report or tax liability report to ensure the correct tax ledger is being reflected. This helps confirm your tax calculation are both accurate and up to date. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully corrected the tax ledger in Tally Prime and help keep your accounting records clean and accurate, one step at a time. That's it.